What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexander. Today I'm gonna show you what I've recently bought. This is a Mark 1 1999 Audi TT. I'm a big fan of BMW, but I've decided to take the TT because it comes with a factory turbo, while the petrol E46s doesn't. I'll take you around the car so you can see it. Take a look inside. It is the AGQ version of the famous 1.8 liter turbo, making 180 horsepower. The car has 5-speed manual gearbox and front wheel drive. Now I'll get into the car because it is very windy outside and it's very cold. Alright guys, now that I am inside, I wanted to tell you that this will be my first project car ever. I've gotten it a month and a half ago and I serviced it a little bit. I've changed the timing belt tensioner, thermostat, water pump, what else, spark plugs, coil packs, all types of gaskets and a lot of other things which I don't really remember at the moment. So after the servicing I'm planning to put new coils just because I want the car to handle better, and after that maybe some power tuning. There will be a new track opening in a few months and I really want to go and drive there. I also want to make a scenic POV driving videos and etc. I'm really excited about this project and I hope that it will turn out well. And if you guys like my content, please hit like, subscribe and comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and see you in a bit.